Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to generate new query in Power BI Query Editor. So for this, we'll go in Power BI. You'll have to generate the blank query. So click here. Now go in Advanced Editor and write the query. The query is, we want to do a very simple multiplication that A is 5, comma, B is 6, and C is A asterisk B, the multiplication of these two numbers. And the output is C. Now press done. We'll have to check in Advanced Editor what mistake we have done. So comma was not there. Just press the comma and it will be done. Perfect. Answer is 30. So this is how you can generate the new query in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.